Hey babies, it's your girl Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. So as you guys can see, this video is sponsored by Dossier. In this video, I'll be unboxing and give my reviews on some candles and fragrances. Also, you would definitely want to stay tuned and watch the full video because I'll be putting you guys on to some of Dossier's original scents. Not to mention the candles you can get in your favorite designer fragrances. Just imagine having your favorite scent lingering in your living room, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, wherever you prefer. Like, no worries, I got you. So before getting to the actual video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. So as I said in my intro, I'll be unboxing and doing a review on some fragrances for your body as well as fragrances for your home. So if you guys don't know, Dossier also sell candles, diffusers, outside of selling fragrances for your body. That's like so ideal because as I stated before, like any scent that you really love to wear on your body, you can have that same scent throughout your home. And I love that for us. Like the girlies that love the designer fragrances and love having a nice clean home that is giving luxury, Dossier is gonna eat every time, so you don't have to worry about anything. So before I go into my go-to faves, I'm gonna introduce you guys to our original Dossier fragrance. So the name of this fragrance is called Blue Breeze. It's from the Color Factory collection. What I love the most about this fragrance is the notes that include, and this fragrance belongs to the scent family fresh and citrus. So if you want a fresh or citrus vibe, this scent is ideal for you. It really gives like a juicy, zesty feeling. This is actually my first time smelling this fragrance and I am in love. For me, I think this fragrance is giving like a unisex vibe because I would just love to wear this out and about every day, but I also love to smell this on someone else. Like it gives a scent that anyone could wear without you really putting a gender on it, like, oh, that's a male fragrance or that's a female fragrance, or you know, I love it. It smells so good and it does give a zesty scent, but it's just different. It's different, and that's what I love. I love the fact that it's different. Like I love the fact that it's different with a unique blend. Like this scent is not like any other scent I've ever smelled before. And for that reason and just what it's giving, I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. So I would definitely recommend this fragrance if you're looking into trying something new, something different, and just want to get into new fragrances outside of what everyone is into. Like we're trying to be different, okay? It's cool to be different. It's okay to like different stuff. It's okay to want a different vibe. And let me tell you, when you go out, people will be asking you what you're wearing, because for me personally and for all the other girlies, based on what I've seen, Dossier fragrances are the most recommended fragrances, okay? Yeah, and they do last longer than a lot of the originals. I'm talking this from experience because I've been a Dossier girly. Yeah, and I own both the original and the Dossier fragrances, and I use my Dossier fragrances all day, every day. Sometimes I even forget about the fact that I own the actual designer fragrances. Yeah. So you can definitely count on me when it comes down to that one, because Dossier is gonna get you right every single time. So now I'm gonna move on to some of my all-time faves. This next fragrance is called Amber Saffron. Like guys, if you're not new here, you would have heard me mention this fragrance a lot of time because it's close to my eye. Like I love this fragrance so much. Like it gives luxury, okay? And multiple times I've been wearing these fragrances and people be like, oh, what are you wearing, Baccarat? And I'm like, yeah, I don't own an actual bottle of Baccarat, but I've owned many of the Dossier replicas and I love them. Like when I tell you about iconic scents, designer quality, no markups, like you can get a smaller size bottle of a fragrance that you really love that is $200, $300, $400 for only $25 to $35, $40 mark. And it looks small, but you get a lot of use out of this, okay? And when you go anywhere, people won't be knowing that you're not wearing the actual brand because it's giving and even smell way better than the actual brand. And I always tell people that if you're even interested in a fragrance, you can go and search for it on Dossier site, and if they have it, you can buy this size and you try it out. Yeah, try it out, and if you really love it, then spend that big bucks. I would definitely tell you to try it out first to see if you really like it, and if you like it, you get the bigger one. If you don't like it, at least you know that Dossier can be that go-to place that you go to buy fragrances, to try them prior to spending like big money on them. So either way you look on it, Dossier is like definitely a saving grace. Like they're really putting on the girls for little and nothing, because the fragrances are so good and mad cheap, and it gives you a chance to know what something smells like prior to wasting a lot of money on it. So for me, Amber Saffron will always get a 10 out of 10. I love this fragrance. Like I can literally spray it on my body right now, and tomorrow this time if I smell my hand, it's right there. And I'm not capping. Try it for yourself. When you place the next Dossier order, use that fragrance and check your body a couple hours after, down in the day, 24 hours after, and comment down below and tell me if you're not smelling that fragrance still on your hand. I wouldn't lie. I have no reason to lie, because everything I'm telling you guys is things I've tested for myself before coming on my camera and yapping. So yeah, Amber Saffron, this is the replica for Baccarat. I must have. Yeah, this top my list every time. Now let's put you on to two new fragrances. I'm now going to introduce you to something you can get for your home. Okay, so when you're cashing out that cart, you can get fragrances for your body and also something that's for your home. A win is a win, right? Like I love a good smelling candle. It doesn't matter how many wicks it include. I'm a candle girl. Yeah, like I want candles in my bathroom, on my island, in my living room, in my closet, everywhere. Yeah, I strongly believe that everywhere in your house should smell really good. Yeah, because your home tells a lot about you too, sweets. So you can't be buying those expensive fragrances for your body and your home is smelling like trash. That's a no. Yeah, the house should be giving what you're giving all the time. Yeah, so this is Amber Vanilla, and this is like my second one to show you how in love I am with this candle. Like it smells so good. The other one I got though was a double wick one, and this one is a single wick one, which is fine. I do realize a little difference with the packaging compared to what I'm used to as regards to Dossier candles. I don't know if they're actually changing the look of the packaging or the container it comes in, but it's a little different. So normally it comes with 2 weeks, as I said before. This is only 1 week. This is cute though. I love it. It's straight to the point. It just basically tell you the notes that it include, the name of it, Dossier branded, and as per usual it gives some additional information at the bottom of it, which I really love. And you should always read the warning messages before using products, just so you know what you have in your home and how to go about using it, so you don't have any emergency or anything of that sort. But this scent is so heavenly. I love vanilla. Like I love a warm cozy scent, so this is perfect for you if you're that type of person too. I don't like scents that's too much. I feel like in your home you should have like subtle scents. I've actually burnt mine before, the other one that I'm using, and I love it down. Like Dossier can do no wrong in my eyes, because they really do just give good quality stuff. Yeah. So now I'm going to move on to the second candle. So this candle scent is called Floral Marshmallow. This is also one of my favorite fragrances, as a body fragrance and a candle fragrance and a diffuser fragrance, all from Dossier. So Floral Marshmallow is basically the replica for Love by Killian, and that is one of my favorite fragrance. Like I also own the original, and I have multiple bottles of the Dossier version, which is Floral Marshmallow. I do own more than one of the same scent candles, and I do own a diffuser in the same scent. It's giving up scent, because one thing for sure, I want my home to smell really good. Like you should come in and be like, girl, your smells so good, or what's that fragrance? Or it's not even about people. I love coming in and smelling that fresh scent. Like what? Your home should be that safe space. Like your home should be somewhere where you look forward to coming. And I feel like having really nice scents, it helps, it enhances that. Like I want to run home just to come chill out in my place, in my bed, or walk past the one on my island and it just give me like kind of lift my spirit, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I love it down. Remember I was telling you guys that the other amber vanilla I have basically 2 weeks. This is what I was telling you guys about. So there's a little size difference, so I guess you do have the option of getting the 9-ounce candle, or you can get the 14-ounce candle. So this is the one I'm used to, which is the 14-ounce, but this is a smaller version, which I would assume is a little bit cheaper. You can go on Dossier site and scroll through just to have an idea of the pricing and just to browse to see if there's anything you like. Remember, Mother's Day is coming up. There's always someone's birthday, some holidays always coming up. Bless a friend, bless a family member, or even treat yourself. Like, remember that you have to look out for you and you have to do nice things for yourself, right? Yeah. So get yourself a scent, get yourself a candle, get yourself a diffuser. Like, do something. Get your mother-in-law, your sister, something nice for Mother's Day. So go on that site and scroll through, because I feel like this is like the perfect gift. Like, you're gifting me candles? You want me to cry? Like, I love candles. Candles, fragrance, yeah, you name it. I love it though. I'm very appreciative still, but those gifts just mean something different to me. Like, you really think about me. Like, yeah. So these are the two different sizes, and even the labels on the front, you can like peep the difference with the design and the labels and everything. As I said, one is 2 weeks and one is 1 week. The instructions on the bottom of the label is basically the same thing, to be honest. So one person will receive one with a different warning from the next person. It's the same thing. And as per usual, as you guys can see in this video and Amada Say videos, packaging is always 10 out of 10. They can never go wrong in my eyes, but if they did slip up, I would definitely say. But Dossier is always eating with everything. Everything is just giving quality, and I love that. So now that we're through with the candles, I'm gonna go back into the body fragrances. I have 2 more. So this is the Fruity Almond Love It Down. It's really like a vanilla vibe, really nice scent, and this is also one of my most complimented fragrances. And what I do sometimes is I layer my Dossier fragrances. So I will wear like a Fruity Almond with an amber saffron, and listen, that combo is busting. Okay, see, I'm constantly putting you guys on. That combo is everything. Try them, like try mixing the Dossier fragrances, make your own scents. Like, nothing beats being different. Nothing beats smelling different. You can also layer these with Bath and Body Works fragrances. You can layer these with your original designer fragrances. Like, you can layer these with a lot of other fragrances, and they're gonna smell bomb. And Fruity Almond is gonna eat every single time. Like, it's gonna eat. So the last fragrance is Floral Pink Pepper. This is my first time trying this fragrance, and I'm gonna give my completely honest review on it. I know there's a few Miss Dior with different version for different year. This is the 2017 version of the Sherry. I think that's the pronunciation. So I'm going to try it and tell you guys what it's giving. I personally, I've never owned a Miss Dior before. I bought Miss Dior as a gift. I've smelled it before in fragrance places, but I've never like owned one for myself. But I do have a look idea of what they smell like. But as I said, there's quite a few. So I'm going to actually smell it and tell you guys what I think, if I like it, and if it's a fragrance I would definitely keep for myself, and actually reconsider probably in the near future to buy the bigger one. I would be completely honest, because I try my best for my channel to be as transparent as I can make it be, and I just feel like I wouldn't want you to waste your money on things that I don't think is tea. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand because I did have fragrance on the inner part. Alright, so initially it's strong, in which you normally have to give it a little time. The scent, like, you know, you have like osmosis and diffuse and all of that, like better after it went in the atmosphere and like diffused. It do smell good, but it's a little strong. I feel like it's because I just sprayed on my hand, but smelling it, diffusing, it actually smells good. The strong scent is like leaving now, so I'm kind of having like a better idea of the scent. It smells good, it's girly, but it's like strong girly. You know, sometimes they make female fragrances and they're like so subtle, like as you walk outside you're not even smelling it. This is not the case. It actually smells good. I would give it a 9.5 out of 10 because I'm a male fragrance girl. Like, I love male fragrances. I I have a few female fragrances, but majority of my collection is like male because I just feel like they are so good and they last so long, and I just like mixing them. Like I like layering them. Like I really like layering male and female fragrances. But this Miss Dior, it's tea. It's really nice. So that's it for my video, guys. Thank you again, Dossier, for sponsoring this video. If you guys see anything that you're interested in or just want to browse through Dossier website, the link is down in my description box. If I have a discount code, it will be right there or right here on my screen. And if I don't have one personally, just comment in the comment section asking for one. I have a lot of girlies that I can give you discount codes for because I'm all about my girlies saving. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and until the next video, bye babies.